Hey everyone, this is Matt Trait. I'm going to go over my instructional design plan that I created for this course. The instructional design plan that I created was focused around 10th grade physical education, and the goal was to integrate technology into physical education more on a daily basis within our lessons. Physical education is currently not fully exploiting educational technology within the classroom to promote student engagement while enhancing student achievement and providing students and staff with the 21st century skills needed. Technology has had a major impact on our daily lives, both as adults and children. This impact is felt in the workplace, at home, and most certainly in the classroom. Technology is ever evolving, and the classroom is at the forefront of that evolution. The time has come for physical education to be a part of that evolving landscape within education. By incorporating the flipped model into physical education, we are providing another avenue for students to learn while providing them with the opportunity to succeed, which aligns with the mission statement of our department and our school. The instructional design plan fits the needs of the teacher and student as goals, objectives, and instructional strategies are clearly outlined. The plan serves as an easy-to-follow guide as I laid out the plan to incorporate educational technology into physical education, more specifically this basketball unit for my 10th grade students. Through the use of the flipped classroom, students will now be able to gain an understanding of the next day's class while having the ability to view and review information at their own pace. The instructional design plan lays out how planning, prep, and integrating educational technology into the physical education setting can increase student engagement and achievement, which is our overall goal in physical education at Delcastle. The instructional strategy that I chose to focus my instructional design plan around was that of the flipped classroom. Flipped classroom is something I plan to utilize a lot more this school year after doing research throughout this course and other courses. Implementing a flipped classroom model will help lead to changes in classroom management, which is a big factor for me, increase student engagement, and increased communication across three spectrums, including student to student, teacher to student, and teacher to teacher. All those benefits are essential for creating a positive learning environment when co-teaching, which is what we do here at Delcastle in physical education. Utilizing the flipped classroom, we will now be able to get into activity quicker, which will maximize classroom time for instruction and increase that student achievement and activity and enjoyment. Now let's take a look at how we incorporated the flipped model into our physical education classroom, more specifically within this basketball unit.